Yeah, so Naff goes up there, takes it for a spin, test it, and just go somewhere where if he breaks down, you can get to him in your Hilux and tow him back. Got a copy there, Naff? All good. Alright, he's going to go for a smooth, give it a test ride, and hopefully fix the problem with the tenant.
All good with the Polaris, and the problem with the wire to the fuel pump is fixed. The guys are just hoisting me in. There's a lot of modifications needed if you are looking to adapt one of these for yourselves. The roll cage is cut on the side I get transferred into. The seat is raised with a steel mount, and we cut up an old wheelchair for the seating system, armrests and headrest. Anne puts foam boots on my feet to stop any rubbing and pressure areas. Naff removes the Roho cushion from the wheelchair to put on the seat. I've only been using Roho cushions for around 18 months, but the first 19 years we used gel. As time goes on, it's hard to manage for sure the pressure areas. We use 3 seat belts, one across the chest which needs to be modified again, it's a little too short, one across the lap and one across the top of the knees. And then the catheter bag is secured. These things are a nightmare, but as long as it's not going to get snagged on anything, we should be all good. The roll cage then gets installed using pins, and we are good to go.
You sure we should go the easy way or the hard way?
You do whatever you think.
Got a copy back there, Anne? Are you going up that hill now, or are we going to the pool?
Yeah, we go up the hill and then go to the pool.
Okay. Is this the steep way up the hill?
Nah, the steep one is to that.
Oh yeah. Have you been this way before?
Yep, 3 times. What's happening?
Oh, I'm just trying to hang on, that's all.
Yeah? But you look okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A bit rocky down here, eh?
I think this is the only rockiest place.
Yeah, there's a few washouts and all that. They're not too bad though.
Yeah.
Out there, right?
Right?
That view out there.
Yeah, it's very good. got stuck there. Where that car is coming from?
Oh yeah.
That bush down there, yeah. That's where I got stuck.
Yeah, you can see the whole town here, right?
Yeah.
Maybe summer is hot, winter is warm, and water is precious. Low going down. Low gear going down the hill. Pretty steep drop here. Gotta make sure I don't fall forward. I should be alright. You might just have to hold me with one arm up here.
I can go quicker.
Hey?
I can go quicker.
Nah, you're alright. Don't go too quick.
Get your hand off the drive.
What's she saying?
I don't know.
Man, that is steep, eh?
Should be right.
Yep.
So,
Got a low gear, still going down the hill from the lookout. Pretty rocky coming down here though. It's not too bad. I think this buggy's a bit smoother than my single-seater one actually.
I think that's the council guy.
Yep.
And probably that's the prison one there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And I think the policeman is somewhere down there.
Right. Oh, that was low. We bottomed out on
we
that.
bottomed out on that. We can go here or we can go down.
Smoothest way. About the same.
I haven't used this one often.
Yeah.
But it's probably the shortest
This way?
to the highway, yeah.
Oh, and we go along the road.
Yeah. This one we go some hills up
Yeah,
and
let's
down.
go the hills.
Yeah.
Through the dried up riverbed down through here.
Yeah.
Gully.
Apparently this is the boundary. I'm not sure
Yeah.
which two suburbs or whatever.
Where did you get stuck?
I was in some other road down there.
Right. Yeah, a bit of propaganda. Oh, is that the road that you were going to come out on there?
Yeah, I went the left of this fence,
Yep.
and then I got stuck in the middle there. There's some cows thingy. But that road is supposed to go off-road all the way to the Chinaman's Lake there.
Oh yeah, Chinaman Pool.
Yeah, but there, you see those power lines just ahead of you up there.
Yep.
There's a road going off-road there.
Okay.
It's kind of like used by people. But
Yep. Oh, we'll go across this cattle grid here or no?
yeah, we go.
Right.
We can follow these cars and then
Yeah, we'll follow them.
We find the highway going down and it's just
Okay.
yeah.
Shall I try it?
Yeah.
Right. Yep, so in emergency I just punch that and she'll shut off. Should be able to start it. Brake on. It should be good, eh?
Yep.
Alright. Alright, so this is the first time I've actually driven this. And I've got to restrict it just so it goes about 20-30 kilometers an hour. I've got this emergency thing here. I just whack that. Fully joystick operated, steering, brakes, accelerator. Designability Inc. made the joystick. His name's Bill. Anyway, we're out here at Chinaman's Pool in Marble Bar. Absolutely beautiful out here, incredible. It's not far from town actually, it's only about 2 or 3 kilometres from town. A little bit of bird life out there. We'll just go for a bit of a cruise along the side of the pool. Really nice coloured rocks. I'll get the camera over there and show you some of the colours that are in the rocks. So awesome out here. Gonna make a wide turn here. Hopefully down the road we can get a few disabled kids or adults in behind the joystick and see what they reckon. Or if you're interested in building one of these for yourself and you want to test drive to see if it's suitable, we can organise it. This is the second one I built. So mum and dad can go in the driver's seat here or companion side, and with the flick of these switches it becomes joystick operated over this side. And I'm actually pretty happy the way it turned out. I'm 6 foot and I fit in here, but we can modify the seat, we can move the seat belts and we can modify the shape. If we have to make another, we can make another seat. Take you guys out to a big open area and you see how you go. This is about top speed, so it's probably about 30 kilometers an hour. We can make it faster, but because it's joystick steering, you don't want to get too wobbly, get out of control or anything like that. But we'll go up and down here. Looks like someone's had a little bit of a fire there. Oh, check these rocks out. Turn around here. And you see the purple in the rocks there.
Alright, we are at Chinaman's Pool, and that's the hills there, and there's Chinaman's Pool. The water is not that much, but it looks alright. The back there is dry, as you can see. Hello, Bradley. How you doing, Bradley?
Good.
While I enjoy my ride, Naf goes exploring all the different colours in the rock formations. Back in the day, These were mistaken for marble, so that's why the town was named Marble Bar, but was later discovered that the coloured rocks are jasper. Either way, it's pretty cool.
What's this one called? Marble Bar Pool. We're going down now to have a look at Marble Bar Pool. That was Chinaman Pool. Another old dry riverbed down here. Look, the cattle have pushed the fence over. Do you reckon we can get up that?
Yeah.
We better bang her in four-wheel drive.
Oh, you moved it.
No, I took it off. That's a steep climb.
Okay, you're good.
All right, let's go.
Tight?
Have you been up there?
Yeah.
Got a bit of a steep climb here. Really steep. washouts coming down this hill. Go park right next to this tank.
If I get the opportunity, I'll definitely be back to Marble Bar for more off-roading adventures. Having this injury and managing the complications, it can be easy for the mind to talk yourself out of taking these experiences. But with good help and adapted vehicles, you just have to go for it, even if it's stressful at times. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys in similar situations can pursue your off-road dreams.